All right, 8th graders, welcome. I am absent today on Friday, March 5th, but Miss Holman is subbing for me, so you still have to go into your Google Meet for attendance, and Miss Holman will kind of walk you through what we're doing today, but this video will also do that too. So after you've signed into your Google Meet, the other thing you're going to do is make sure you have your robot presentation, your Google Slides opened. I'm going to show you where to locate that in a moment if you forgot. And the third thing then is you're going to have today as a work day to research your robot and to start filling out those Google Slides. So take advantage of this work day because researching takes a long time to read through material and to answer the questions that you need for your presentation. So I'm going to show you right now the steps number 2 and 3. So for your robot presentation, your Google Slides, you're going to go to Schoology if you haven't already opened them up. And in Schoology, scroll down until you see the Robot Research folder. And in that folder, you're going to see the second option says Robot Presentation, Google Slides. And once you open yours up, it's going to look like this. And so make sure you have this opened. We talked about this a little bit on Tuesday, but each slide has information that you need to fill out, and it's shown at the bottom notes. So the title slide, you just need your robot, image of your robot, and your first and last name. When you go to slide number 2, it tells you the questions you need to answer at the bottom. And so take time to look through these questions at the bottom because ultimately, this is what you're trying to research and find answers to for your robot. So there is a lot of information, and that's why I want to give you a lot of time to research and find answers about your robot. And so ultimately, you're going to be teaching us about your robot and answering these questions at the bottom, putting the answers into your slides right here, okay? So try to get as far as you can today. When you come into class next time on day number 5 of this project, we're gonna talk a little bit more about how you're gonna present these slides, and then I'll have a sample slide presentation for you just to kind of perfect your presentation, and we can look at your slides a little bit more. So ultimately today, try to get in as much information as you can about your robot, answering these questions at the bottom.